Hello, dear students. Welcome to today's English class. Hope you all are keeping fine by the grace of Almighty God. I am also keeping fine by the grace of Almighty God. My dear students, my name's Ghosh Prashanto Kumar, Senior Teacher English, Bharateshwari Homes. Today, I will take a class on English second paper for the students of class 8, 9 and 10. My dear students, every day while taking class, I emphasize on one thing. What is that? That is your concentration on studies. Today, I will also tell you to follow the classes having concentration. Hopefully, you will do that to make our program a success one. My dear students, now lesson prediction. Here are 4 sentences. First one, what a beautiful bird it is. Number 2, it is a very beautiful bird. Number 3, how talkative the lady guest was. And number 4, the lady guest was very talkative. Okay, my dear students, here you see with the first sentence, okay, an expression of joy or astonishing is expressed. Okay, and with the sentence number 2, it is a statement. Okay, and you see the first one ends with note of exclamation and number 2 ends with full stop. Okay, and the sentence number 3 as usual starts with how and ends with note of exclamation. Okay, and the sentence number 4 ends with full stop. So from these sentences you may see these sentences are not in same form, they are in different form. Okay, but their meaning is almost same. So can you predict or guess what will be our today's lesson? If you are present in the class, some of you would say, yeah, our today's lesson is transformation of sentences. I mean on exclamatory sentence to assertive sentence. Okay, my dear students, now I would like to announce our today's lesson. Our today's lesson is transformation of sentences. Today I will broadly discuss in this session how the sentences are changed from or transformed from exclamatory to assertive. I expect your active participation on the lesson to make it fruitful. Okay, my dear students, let us enjoy the session. So before starting the session, I would like to say, you may think why I am giving classes one after another on transformation of sentences. My dear students, transformation of sentences is a huge activity. It's a long journey. Every day we use hundreds of sentences for different purposes, but all the sentences are not in same form. Okay, we express our ideas in different way. That's why you should know the transformation of sentences very well. If you can master all the rules regarding transformation of sentences, hopefully you will be able to write sentence correctly, express your feelings in any situation, any environment clearly. That's why this activity is very important for you. Learning outcomes. The SS will be able to, what the SS? I mean our students, I mean you. The SS will be able to identify exclamatory sentences and assertive sentences. Know how exclamatory sentences and assertive sentences are formed. change the sentences from exclamatory to assertive and assertive to exclamatory correctly. Transformation of sentences exclamatory to assertive in first slide. Okay, exclamatory sentences beginning with what or how are changed into assertive sentences by following the structure given below. My dear students, what is given in the structure? You see, at first subject, then verb, then a or an in are kept in a bracket, then very or great, then adjective, adverb or noun, then the rest part. Okay, if rest part is needed, you will write it, or it is not needed, you will not write it. Okay, so first one in exclamatory, what a good idea it is. So what have I written in exclamatory? It is a very good idea. Okay, so its subject is verb, then a, then very, then good adjective, then idea. Okay, everything has been done according to the structure given here. Next one in exclamatory, how sweetly the girl sings. I have written in assertive, the girl sings very sweetly. Okay, next one in exclamatory, what a fool the man is. In assertive I have written, the man is a great fool. You see, here I have used great. Okay, but in case of number 1 and number 2 I have used very. What is its reason? You know, in case of adjective and adverb we use very, and in case of noun we use great. Okay, that's why fool is noun, that's why I have used here great. Okay, so my dear students, I request you to do some practice at home and hopefully you will be able to change it successfully. Exclamatories to assertive. Exclamatory sentences beginning with hurrah, alas, fie are changed into assertive sentences by following the structure given below. What is given in the structure? In the structure I have written, it is a matter of joy, sorrow or contempt that the sentence part given after hurrah, alas or fie. So see the examples here. First one in exclamatory, hurrah, we have won the match. It is a matter of joy that we have won the match. Okay, so with the first sentence, hurrah, we have won the match, a joyful feelings is expressed through these sentences. That's why I have written, it is a matter of joy that we have won the match. Okay, next one in exclamatory, alas, my pet dog is dead. Okay, so what have I written in assertive? It is a matter of sorrow that my pet dog is dead. Okay, so alas, my pet dog is dead. With this sentence, sorrowful feeling is expressed. That's why I have written here, it is a matter of sorrow. Then the part after alas, I mean my pet dog is dead. Next one in exclamatory, fie, fie, you are a coward. It is a matter of contempt that you are a coward. So I think you will understand it clearly, and the sentences are changed here according to the structure given here. Just you will do some practice and everything will be okay. Exclamatory to assertive. Next slide. Exclamatory sentences beginning with if or would that are changed into assertive sentences by following the structure given below. What is given in the structure? At first subject, then wish, then the part given after if or would that. Okay, so what is given in exclamatory sentence? If I were a king. In assertive I have written, I wish I were a king. Next one in exclamatory, if I were a philosopher like Socrates. In assertive I have written, I wish I were a philosopher like Socrates. Next one in exclamatory, would that I could be a child again. In assertive I have written, I wish I could be a child again. My dear students, you see, in case of assertive sentences, in all cases, I have used subject at first, then wish, then the part given after if or would that. Then everything is okay. So I think it is very easy, and I hope you will find pleasure from this rule, and hopefully you will be able to change these sentences in this form. Next slide. Exclamatory to assertive. Exclamatory sentences beginning with had are changed into assertive sentences by following the structure given below. What is given in the structure? At first, subject, then wish, again subject, had, then the part given after subject. First one in exclamatory, see the examples please. First one in exclamatory, had I the wings of a bird? What have I written in assertive? I wish I had the wings of a bird. Next one in exclamatory, had I been a king? In assertive I have written, I wish I had been a king. So you should match the sentences with the structure given here. At first subject, then I, then wish, then again subject I, then had, then the part given after subject, I mean the wings of a bird, the wings of a bird. Okay, same thing happens in case of next one. Okay, had I been a king? I wish I had been a king. Here subject has been used doubly. Okay, so my dear students, I think you are so intelligent, you are so curious, and you will do the change successfully. Exclamatory to assertive. Exclamatory sentences beginning with what and where subject and verb remain hidden are changed into assertive sentences by following the structure given below. So what is written in the structure? At first subject, then be verb, then a, then very or great, then the part given after a or an. Here it is needed, you can actually, you may write here, I think in all cases you have to write a. Okay, see the examples. What a beautiful bird. It is a very beautiful bird. Okay, again, what a beautiful bird. It is a very beautiful bird. Next one in exclamatory, what a pity. In assertive I have written, it is a great pity. In next one in exclamatory, what an idea. In assertive I have written, it is a great idea. Okay, my dear students, here in all cases in assertive sentence, at first I have taken subject, then be verb, then a, then very or great, and then the part given after a or an. Okay, what a beautiful bird. It is a very beautiful bird. The part given after a beautiful bird is written. Okay, next one, what a pity. It is a great pity. Its subject is to be verb, then a, then great, then the part given after a, I mean pity. Same thing happens in case of next one. What an idea. It is a great idea. So my dear students, I think all of you will be able to change these sentences where subject and verb is not given, subject and verb remain hidden. Okay, so group work is not applicable. Now homework, which is very important as you are staying at your home. Okay, you are away from us, so always every day you will do all the homeworks having proper attention or concentration. The students are asked to change the sentences from exclamatory to assertive and assertive to exclamatory at home. My dear students, here I have not given the sentences. So what will you do? You should create 5 or 10 exclamatory sentences yourself and then change it into assertive sentence. And again you will write 5 or 10 assertive sentences and then you will change them into exclamatory sentences, okay, which is called creative study or creative method. You will create yourself the sentences and change them into exclamatory to assertive and assertive to exclamatory. I think if you follow the classes, okay, I think hopefully you will be able to do that. Okay, my dear students. So Thanksgiving session, every day I give you thanks at the end of the session. Today I am giving you lots of thanks for your active participation on today's lesson. Okay, my dear students, now you are at home, you have lots of time, so without wasting a single moment, you should utilize the proper use of utilize your time properly. Okay, and if you do that, hopefully you will get good result or positive result. Okay, and you will achieve maximum, you will achieve maximum things. Okay, so may God keep you safe and sound. Keep distance from others. Don't go outside. Stay blessed. Hope for the best and bye.